Okay, when dealing with this kind of cases, you have two graphs. I find the area between. So the first thing you have to do is to draw the graph, because you need to know which area of the graph you're looking for, and it also depends for ilungal kalafi which equation to write first, because you'll be writing something like this. So it's from 0 to pi over 4, and then we have first equation minus the second equation. Now, so when you draw the graph, the equation at the top is the equation from the bottom, a little area. Okay, so I've written a graph on my program here, Desmos o kalafi. So the red graph is the cosine graph, as shown here, and the blue or the green one or the sine graph. Let's show what we eat. So this is sine and this is cosine. And the problem here says pi over 4 to 0. So that's from 0 here to pi over 4. So I just scrolled in because pi over 4 is very small. So pi over 4 is here. So pi over 4 lalo i. So that means you are finding this area. So area liang sawa mali 0 it pi over 4. The area la liang i. And which graph it's the red graph, and that's the cosine graph. So the graph this graph on the top here, on the top, graph at the bottom. So this is cos minus sine. So that's what you put in your integral. So we put cos x minus sine x dx. Okay. Okay, and then we integrate. We integrate cos first. So if we integrate cos, we get sine x minus, and if we integrate sine, we get negative cos x. And remember, we ignore the constants here, the plus c, because that will cancel out definite integral. Okay, so since it's minus a negative, this can turn into a plus. So we write it to sine x plus cos x from pi over 4 to 0. And then we sub in the values here. So we sub in the value. So we sub in the upper bound first. So sine of pi over 4 plus cos of pi over 4. And then we sub in the lower bound. So minus sine 0 plus cos of 0. Okay, calculator. So I have a good calculator here, so I can just write down sine of pi over 4. So more kali it's root 2 over 2. You can just put in your decimals. And cos pi over 4, so that's pi over 4, yeah, root 2 over 2. Okay, minus, so sine 0 is 0. And cos 0 is 1. So let's just double check. Cos 0 is 1. So this will be 0 plus 1, that's 1. Okay, here it's the same denominator, so we can just add up. I'm already 2 pi root 2 over 2. We can cancel out, minus 1. So the answer is root 2 minus 1. Okay, you can leave your answer like this, or you can just put it in a decimal form. So that's root 2 minus 1. So Answer is 0.4142. Since this is an area, it's better to put like unit square, because this answer is an area, and we don't know what's the area measurement is like, Lope centimeter or kilometer. So we just put in unit square to indicate that your answer is an area, because we don't know the units, so we just put unit square. So that's for letter A. B coming up in another video.